Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the very pretty Riviera West Village, and I'm enjoying checking this out. This is their one bedroom. I would call it maybe one bedroom with a little study nook here. And we've already seen this, but it's really, really attractive. There is the kitchen over there. There's a huge breakfast area, so you may actually call that a study area too. But now we're gonna go into the bedroom and bath. So let's see that right now. I'm gonna walk in. Here is the bedroom and the bath. The bath is pretty big. It's got a huge countertop. This is what it looks like here. And then there's the shower in there. So really, really nice. We're gonna walk into the bedroom. Bedroom looks like this. Very cool. This is a big size. This could fit a king, no problem in here. So a king. And then here is the really cool closet. That's a nice size closet. There's a lot of space. This is a big, big apartment. A lot of space here in this bedroom. So love seeing all this space. So what you're getting here in the Riviera West Village is you're getting just a beautiful space that's huge and with the best location right here at the West Village. It's hard to beat the value and the price here at the Riviera. Hey, give me a text. Let's set up a live virtual tour so you would have somebody walking around kind of like this, but doing it for you personally. And send me a text. We'll just set that up and it'll be zero cost to you, 100% free. It's a part of our 100% free service to take care of you. So send me a text. Look forward to hearing from you, or just say hi, and the number is below.